Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Today, I have a subscription box. It's called The Box from Fashionsta. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, please stay tuned. Everybody, welcome back. And as I said, we have a new box today. It's by Fashionsta. I think I opened it for you guys just one time before, and I'm really excited about this box because I know that the first time I gotten it, it was really nice, and I remember, and it left a a memory of it. And so I'm really excited to see what we have this time, especially in a light of everything that's happening with IPSY and BoxyCharm. I'm really looking forward to some of these boxes taking boxes, not the boxes, but the companies, the subscription box companies taking advantage of that, that distraction and really getting something out there. And this is a time for these companies to really strike while the iron is hot. And I hope some of these companies get in there and, give it a go. And I also have glossy box that I have to open as well. They both showed up at the same time, but I think I'll do them in a separate video because I want to give them equal time. Okay, and so that's that. And you guys are aware of the giveaway that's going on already, and so I'm not gonna remind you about that because you would have to watch that video and to get that information. Okay, and so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I still have my tool, by the way, and I've not lost it. Ha! Which is, now that I say that, next time I'm going to be like, what the heck happened to my tool? Anyway, that's enough gabbing from me. So let's see, what do we have? I always get excited about these boxes, and I think I told you where I first learned about this, and this is from Just Anne, and that's her site. She's so funny. She's from Jersey, and so anyway, she does these openings as well, and so I learned from her, and I'm like, yeah, let me try that out, because she got some really good things a couple of months ago, and so, yeah, here we go. Okay, as usual, this is different. I like things that are like this, like in, old time black and white classic. And this is what it reminds me of. I mean, maybe it's not that, but I mean, that's when I first saw it. I'm like, wow, okay. So it comes with a card like all of the other subscription boxes. And it should tell me what's in these boxes, but let me see if it does. And it does. And does it give a price? Please say yes. And it does. And I'm not going to read it, just saw dollar signs and numbers. So let's just go through it. And so the theme of this month for Fashionsta is 20s soirée. Is that 1920s or 2020s? Well, let's see what it says about it. It says, we present to you our special celebration glitz and glamour of the 1920s with our October box filled with a curation of makeup and skincare to keep you and your skin glam and dance party ready. We hope you enjoy this month's products, and remember, you are truly beautiful inside and out. That's nice. It is 1920s. I love like movies and things and shows from like that era. And I remember HBO had this show called Boardwalk Empire, and I was like, it had me hooked for I think 5 or 6 seasons, and I was sad to see it end, but I really loved that era because it's so simple. You also have the big changes, Industrial Revolution, and also that was the era of prohibition, right? So there's a lot of history made in that era. So I really love that. Well, anyway, why am I blabbing? This is all about boxes, not about history. Sorry about that. Okay, let's start with the first thing. And let me show you how it came. It looks, like I said, it's very interesting looking. And you see the box, it's like, yeah, it's nice. It's like with these, it's very theme appropriate, and I like that. Okay, let's get started with the first item. It looks like, hair care here, but Bio Repair 8 Thickening Blow Dry Shampoo. Oh, Blow Dry Spray. here it is. Let me see if I can get it to, okay, good. And I'm still getting used to this camera, guys. So I'm sorry if I'm like kind of all over the place with it and the color's not quite right. And, you know, I look like I'm freezing cold sometimes. And so I'm trying to, you know, use my lights around me to kind of warm it up and, you know, increase the Kelvin so it's just a little bit warmer. And so let's see if it works out. And give me some feedback, okay? It's okay. So anyway, this is a color-proof color care authority. And so let's read about this. What does it say about it? Okay, and this is by the company BioRepair. So, where are you, BioRepair? Is it BioRepair or is it that? Oh, it's by Color. Okay, it's by Colorproof Hair Colorproof. And it says grips the individual hair fibers and increases density and weightlessly volumizes fine thinning hair. Delivers active plant stem cells to restore aging tissue, strengthen and protect against breakage, leaves hair soft and visibly fuller with color and heat protection up to 450 degrees for all your 1920s inspired hairstyling. Cruelty-free and paraben-free, and it retails for $32. So this is like a thickening heat thermal protection spray, and that's great because I'm always looking for that. So this is good. Okay, that was the first thing. And the second thing out of the box is, oh, by Skin & Co. I think I just got something from another box. I did. And this is a whipped polishing cleansing cream with truffle extract. That's it. Yeah, truffle extract. So, okay, I think the other one was a shampoo. This is a cleansing cream. Okay, there it is. Okay, focus, please. Okay, great. Okay, and so let me tell you a little about that. So Skin & Co. And so this is ideal for, oh, this is skin. I'm completely wrong. So ideal for all skin types, truffle therapy whipped cleansing cream is an essential step in the cleansing routine for removing makeup, dirt and impurities accumulated throughout the day. For hydrated and radiant skin, cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, GMO-free, and it retails for $28. So what this is truffle therapy whipping cleansing cream for the face. Okay, gotta get that straight. My goodness. Okay, they kind of like switch lanes on me really quick. Went from hair care to facial care. So it's okay though. It's me. Oh, what is this? This is really weird. Look at this. Can you see it? It's charcoal. Let's check it up. Oh, yeah, it's like inky water. What is it? Okay, this is charcoal drying lotion, all skin types. Okay, it's by Georgette Klinger. And let's see what it says about it. It says direction, apply at night after cleansing and toning. Do not shake bottle. Whoops. Allow product to settle. Dip a fresh cotton swab into the sediment and lightly dab onto troubled areas. Let dry, rinse off in the morning. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to... That's weird. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. Maybe some people... Plus, I don't have really troubled skin, so I'll give it in the giveaway. So, yeah, that's good. And that was... Let's see, what was that one? Okay, it is called... Georgette Klinger Charcoal Drying Lotion retails for $19. And let me tell you what it says about it here. It says, apply this treatment at first sign of trouble, and you'll wake up to a calm complexion that looks good as new and ready to hit the town. Supports cleaner, calmer skin, unblocks and purifies pores, draw out excess oil, relieves redness, puffiness, swelling, and irritation. Made in USA, cruelty-free, paraben-free, dye-free, and fragrance-free. Oh, at least it's fragrance-free. But oh my God, if it sucked out any more moisture, I would wake up like, because my skin is so dry. So yeah, no. So that wouldn't work for me. Okay, what is next here? How many more things do I have? I just have a couple. Oh no, I have like 3 more things, I guess. Okay, let's go and with this. This is called La Splash Golden Gatsby Old Money. I like that, old money. Okay, there you go. I don't mean to put this in front of my face, but this is the only way I think I'm going to get to focus so you can read it, okay? And so what is this? Okay. And on the box it says, darling, it wouldn't be a party without you. Okay. What kind of party? So let's see. La Splash. Okay, La Splash Cosmetics Golden Gatsby Old Money Highlighting Palette. It retails for $28. This is bringing all the glitters and shimmers of the 1920s. This lightweight, four-shaded, refined formula delivers buildable coverage with a metallic luster finish. For a stunning glow, sweep over the high points of your beautiful face, made in the USA, cruelty-free. Okay, let's see what this looks like. You know, it feels like what's in this box. I know I'm getting it in October, but it sounds like it's something you want to use on like New Year's Eve or something, you know, before you go to the New Year's Eve countdown or something. I don't know if y'all do that, but I don't do that. But still, you know, I watch it on TV. Okay. Ooh, aesthetically pleasing. Yes, it is. Look at this. I like it. This reminds me of a, I don't know if you, okay, here's a good shot right there. It reminds me of like an old movie marquee. That's what it reminds me of. And old money, huh? Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. I expected from the description of it that it would somehow be cream, but it's actually powder and it's beautiful actually. Aesthetically, it's very beautiful. Okay, here it is. You see the, it's a picture of like a 1920s. I forgot what they call those girls. And right here. And then here's the colors. Okay. And you know, it's so pretty. Do I want to even, yeah, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and swatch it, I think. Yeah. Should I? I got so many of these. Yeah, I'm going to do it. Ooh, it's nice and creamy. It's so creamy. And this is a highlighter. I'm using this as an eyeshadow. Forget that. This is very creamy. It reminds me of when I use eyeshadows from like Pat McGrath and Natasha Denona. It's got that creaminess to it. Oh, wow. It's very pigmented. Yeah. Okay. Oops. What happened here? And there we go. There's something underneath it that's like flaking off. Or is that coming off my hand? Yeah, I think it may be. Okay, there's a couple of colors that are kind of like my skin color, so it's not going to pick up. I'm going to do my best. Okay. Okay, can you see that? Okay, those are the four colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And it is very pretty, actually. It's very creamy. You see? It's very creamy. Yeah. I mean, the yellow is really yellow. I mean, I wouldn't put that on my cheeks for sure, no. But, well, I guess for the right skin tone, this could, I mean, it would work really nice for the cheeks. So anyway, I blended it. Look how that works out. Okay. So that's that. Very nice, very nice. Okay, I'm good with that. I just love the aesthetics of this container, though. It's like, oh, so pretty. Okay, let's see what else. And this is very, yeah, it's very 1920s correct, I think. Not like I was there or anything, you know, but I do read history books. Okay, so the next one. Okay, this is another charcoal product, except for this one appears to be a mask. And that I can deal with better than the other thing. So let's see what, I want to make sure that it doesn't like totally dry out my face though. Let's see what that is. Charcoal Pore Care by Lapkos. Okay, Lapkos, where are you? Here we go. Okay, infused with charcoal powder to purify and brighten skin, draws out impurities and minimizes the appearance of pores, detoxifying, tightening, and hydrating, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and this one piece is $3. Okay. And did I tell you how much that palette was? The palette is $28, the highlighter. I don't know if I told you. Okay, so, but this charcoal pore care is $3 for that one, which is fair. I mean, actually, that's very fair. Usually I pay about $4 per, you know, decent fragrance-free mask. So this is very fair. Nice. Okay, I just hope it doesn't dry my skin now. Okay, do I have anything else? Okay, I have one more thing here. And what are you? Kiss Assist Lip Plumper. Lip Plumper. Here it is. Okay, I think, okay, let's take a look and see what it looks like. What does it say about the lip plumper? Let's see, Kiss Assist by Nars Cosmetics. It's $21 retail. Pump up the volume with this innovative lip plumper that doubles as a clear lip gloss. The perfect gloss to keep your lips glistening and refreshed on a night out or when you need a little gloss pick-me-up. Okay, and this is $21 like I said. Oh, and you know what I like about this one? It gives me the total retail value of my box too. That's nice. Anyway, let's take a look at that before I give you that. Here we go. Okay. Oh, here it is. Oh, very nice. Is this clear? It doesn't look clear. It looks kind of pinky-ish. Yeah. Looks kind of pinky-ish. Yeah. I guess it would be a clear kind of like on your lips, right? So it's very nice. So, okay. I could use that. I don't have many clear glosses. So that's it. And the total for this box was $131. And this is a monthly box. And I believe this one is $34. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But I will go ahead and put that on the screen. Okay. So, yeah, that's it. And also it looks like there's some kind of discount. Get glitz and glam with the brand you love. 30% off. Use glitz30 fashionsta.com. So expires October 31st. That's funny. Expires today. Not eligible on sale items. Okay, so okay. Wow. Okay, this box must have been floating around again with my mailman. So that's okay because I have so many things. I don't need to buy any more things. It's a good thing it expired anyway. So I think that's it, guys. And I know there was something I wanted to say and always remind you guys about. Now I can't remember. I'm hoping that this goes up before November 3rd. And if that's the case, please go out there and vote if you're eligible. And please exercise your constitutional right to vote. Because there's many of those who want to vote, but they can't because they're not a citizen. And so that's I guess my public announcement. And also, please stay safe out there. I know people think that COVID is going down. Actually, it's going back up. We're getting our second spike. And so there's not enough information out there showing that. But I mean, there are places that are seeing worse numbers than they did in the initial strike of COVID-19. So I just want you guys to be safe. I look at cases on a daily basis at work, and I'm telling you, it is not getting any better. You know, really mask, use social distancing, and don't get sick because it's not a good thing. So I just want you guys to be, you know, healthy. And I think that's it. So, alrighty then, my beautiful wildflowers. I just want you to relax, have a great day, and don't sweat the small stuff. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.